Hi, fellow traders and investors. This is Joe Gruender from InvestorsHelp.net. Last weekend, I attended a presentation, a very interesting presentation by two gentlemen on the subject of Ichimoku. If you don't know what an Ichimoku cloud is, that's okay. I'll tell you real quick. Ichimoku cloud, it's a very versatile indicator. And the reason I say it's versatile because it defines areas of support and resistance. It also identifies trend direction. It gauges momentum, and also it provides trading signals. So here, as you can see in the chart, everything is annotated. If you don't know anything about that, there's no problem. But before I go into a little more detail, we're also going to have a lot of information in this newsletter, this announcement for SectorSurfer users. So if you're interested in making money using the Ichimoku cloud trading strategy or setup, or if you're interested in SectorSurfer, this particular video will be of interest to you. Let's go down further. If you don't know much about Ichimoku, if you don't know how to profit using Ichimoku, and if you don't have any Ichimoku setups for your use, that's no problem because I have put together several new videos. I think there's in fact 8 or so videos from our local expert here in Northern California, our guru Eversley. And as you can see here, here's some of the statistics that Eversley has generated using his strategies and also various techniques that he is currently teaching and mentoring to people here in Northern California. We also heard a second presentation by Lewis, who is being mentored. He's a student of Eversley for about the last 7 months, and his presentation his presentation videos are also available at InvestorsHelp.net. All you have to do now, in this video, these links are not active, but I'll put the links below in the description so that you can get easy access to our videos at InvestorsHelp.net. Now, for those of you that are SectorSurfer users, we do have our next meeting coming up on May the 20th. That's next Wednesday. We're going to be holding it here in Silicon Valley. As usual, it'll start at 6 p.m. and for dinner, and then at 6:30 I'll start the meeting for our SectorSurfer users. Once again, I'll have links in the description box below so you can click there and go and get the latest information about our next users group. If you haven't received, so I don't know if you received our May's newsletter or not. If not, as you can see, we have a lot of subjects once again available for your viewing. Now, these links, none of these links are active in this video. However, once again, I'll have active links for you below in the description for this video. But we have information, of course, on our weekly stock list and reports. I'll show you more about that in a minute. We also have these Ichimoku setups, 9 new videos. We have a cool video by Dennis Wilburn, and he reviews all of these stocks in this latest video from last Friday. We do have, there's another thing I'll be attending, and it really looks great. Here in Northern California, in fact in South San Francisco, there's going to be an all-day Investors Business Daily meetup with three of our best leaders here, IBD leaders here in Northern California. Each of them have quite a following of IBD leaders, followers who are members of these three meetup groups. So that should be most interesting. It is an all-day event, and look at the cost, guys. It's only 48 bucks. Usually people pay, $3, $4, $500 for an all-day video, or perhaps all-day conference, or perhaps even more. So this is the bargain. This is really a bargain. So anyway, I'll be there. Hope to see you there. We have more information. Dennis Wilburn, as I previously mentioned, he was on the radio with the IBD guys, so you want to listen to that. And also the May perspective for SectorSurfer users. I want to remind you that we have a lot of videos in our vault. We have a lot of these special reports that are available for you. All you need to do is click if you have the password, and if you don't yet have a password, all you need to go to investorshelp.net and click on my picture on the landing page, and you too can have free access, become a free subscriber at our website. Here's Dennis and his active trend trading system. This is really a great service, and I did negotiate a 40 to 60% discount on Dennis's active trend trading system. So check it out, guys. I think you'll be very pleased. So we have our special kids, as you probably know about. My wife and I try to go to the Philippines every 3 or 4 years, and we have special kids in need that have special needs, and we take a lot of school supplies and food and stuff like that. So we'll be going in November of this year. Also, for those of you who live in Northern California, be sure to check out all the coming events. What's new at Investors Help? These are the latest pieces of information, blog information, video information, reports, and so forth. You can see what's the latest at Investors Help by going here. My daughter, novice trader Cindy, puts up periodically videos. She's also learning how to make money in the financial markets. And also I try to put up every day or a couple days a blog for those of you who use investorshelp.net. So that's it. This is Joe Gruender from investorshelp.net. Please click on the links shown below in the description box for this video. You take care. Bye now.